So just for the record, the 2026 says that the dashboard reflection problem is fixed, that they use new material and different pattern. Other people said don't worry about it because if you have good sunglasses, reflective sunglasses, then, you know, I'm calling bullshit on it. Okay, push. So do you think that that windshield is fixed? There's no glare, there's no problem here. When you go over a hill and it does that, and then the car's coming the other way, and the road's windy, anyway, you know the routine. So that's enough for me complaining about the Equinox today. Thank you.